to the channel. We're getting ready to make peach cobbler. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, quick, made from scratch, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my recipes. Now let's get busy. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, we need to get some butter melted. This is a stick plus 2 tablespoons. Now don't worry about anything I'm getting ready to say or do in the video. Everything will be in the description as far as the ingredients and what you need to make this peach cobbler. So we're going to put this in a preheated 350-degree oven just until the butter is melted. We'll be right back. Okay, while our butter is melting, we're going to go ahead and get our peaches ready. Now, I am using frozen peaches. You can use fresh, but right now the fresh peaches in my area are pretty hard. They are not ripe. And canned peaches, you can use those as well. I just prefer to use frozen peaches. Now, I'm putting about 6 cups of frozen peaches into my bowl. You don't want them to be thawed up completely, but you do want them to be thawed to the point of separation. We're going to start off with a little lemon juice on our peaches. This lemon juice is going to help our peaches from over browning in our peach cobbler. So you don't want to skip this step. Make sure you stir it in well so the lemon will be all over each peach. This is going to be an amazing classic peach cobbler. Let's go ahead adding in our sugar, brown sugar, regular white sugar, cinnamon, cloves, a little salt, and of course our cornstarch for thickening. Now remember, all these ingredients and instructions will be in the description. Make sure you give it a good stir. You can see how it's starting to thicken up already. Delicious. Now I'm adding an ounce of Brandy. You do not have to do it. I just like the flavor in my peach cobbler. You can also add rum if you like that flavor, or leave it out altogether if you want it to be completely non-alcoholic, but give it a stir once you do. We're going to go ahead and add these peaches to our pot. This classic peach cobbler, we don't want to cook it right now. We just want to get that sugar dissolved really well. So we heat up our peaches with the sugar until it's dissolved. In the meantime, let's go ahead and make our batter for the crust. We're going to add in our flour. To the flour, we're adding sugar, a little baking powder, salt, and then very cold milk. Now, I used Himalayan salt if you saw that little color going in there. You can use milk, buttermilk. I've even used heavy cream. Make sure you stir that in as well. I've melted a tablespoon and a stick of butter. That extra butter, that extra tablespoon or 2 of butter is going to help me use it, as you see me doing now, by spreading it upwards on the side of the dish. This will help your peach cobbler and the batter rise. So you don't want to skip this step either. Just make sure you brush it upwards and not around or down. Going upwards will help it rise. That's just a little chef tip there. Okay, after we get that done, we're going to go in and just pour the batter over. Just pour it over. This peach cobbler won't be mixed together, but this batter is going to rise to the top of our peach cobbler, and it's going to be amazing. This is just like a classic, easy way to do peach cobbler. I don't know about you guys, but I love peach cobbler. Let me know in the comments, do you love peach cobbler? Now we're going to go in, take a strainer or either a slotted spoon, not a strainer, but a slotted spoon, because we're going to use the liquid, but first we want to make sure our peaches go in with not so much liquid on them. So shake the excess off and gently put your peaches for your peach cobbler down on the batter. You want them to stay on top of the batter. As it cooks, it's going to rise to the top. We'll be cooking this in a 350-degree oven as well. So spread your peaches as evenly as possible because it doesn't get stirred up in this peach cobbler. No stirring here. This is easy and simple. Okay, just continue to lay them on till you have all your peaches down. Now that we've gotten all our peaches down, we're going to gently, guys, gently and slowly pour the excess liquid over the top. This is going to be that amazing flavor for this peach cobbler. This is the best peach cobbler on the planet. You're going to have to make it. Yes, you will. Oh my goodness, this smells amazingly delicious. Yes, it does. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Next, we're going to top it off with our cinnamon sugar. Remember, I'll have the ingredients and instructions down below. Just come back to the video and click on it and drop down when you get ready to make yours and tag me so that I can celebrate yours as well. This cinnamon sugar is going to be just a classic topping on this amazing peach cobbler. So now we're going to go ahead, get it in the oven, and it's done. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I know I said get it in the oven and it's done, but it really seems like that quick. Now it's going to be time to cut it, and you know after we get this cut, you know what comes next. We're going to have to do a taste test. It's set beautifully. I let this cool for probably about 15 to 20 minutes. You can let it cool longer. The longer it sits, the less runnier it'll be the first time you cut it. And if you guys are enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And don't forget to share it out, please. Oh my goodness, guys. Take another look, take another look. Doesn't that look amazing? The only thing I need is a big scoop of vanilla ice cream, but my vanilla ice cream has not arrived yet. As soon as it does, that means I get seconds. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. You better make it some.